All right, I tried looking up some YouTube videos on like how to diagnose this thing. So this is a Rheem 27 kilowatt tankless electric water heater, and I have no heat out of the thing. I did find one of my coils was bad, but even after I replaced that, the thing is still not working. What I ended up finding was that the flow sensor, it wasn't spinning. So the thing didn't think it had any water flow, so it didn't turn on. A lot of the videos I see on YouTube, you can basically get just a little replacement, which I thought this was the one I had until I took it apart. But the one that's in mine is different than pretty much every other video I've seen on YouTube. The way this thing works is there's a little magnet right here, and it just picks it up as this thing spins. But what I didn't realize is this thing's soldered in, so you can't replace it. So I thought, well, what the hell? I'm gonna have to cut this thing out and hack it all up. But I looked in there. Well, I popped off the brass fitting there so you could kind of get to it. I looked up in there, and all you can see is this. And if you're looking at it from the bottom, I mean, this thing is obviously sitting up in the pipe way longer, but there's a little clip that holds that thing in there. And there's also a screen somewhere. You'll see the screen first. My screen was like all cockeyed, so I assume it let a bunch of shit get in there. I have well water, so this is to be expected, but there was contamination inside this thing, like just little bits of minerals it looked like, or little rocks. But you can pop this little clip out, and then you can take this little flow sensor out, or this little turbine, and like I said, if you're looking at it from the bottom, it's going to look like that. But then you can take this apart and look at all the contamination and crap that's on here. There was more, but you can take that out and clean it and then reinstall it, and hopefully that'll fix your problem. Thanks, guys.